Today, Dosatron service and maintenance video features servicing your Dosatron D40MZ2 40 GPM injector using the seal kit. Before we start, make sure the injector is clicking. If not, watch the D40MZ2 troubleshooting video. Before we get started, make sure to follow the safety instructions. To service the Dosatron D40MZ2 injector, you will need the complete seal kit. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem straight out from the body of the injector. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out and discard. Unscrew and remove the lock nut. Then, remove the C-clamp by spreading the opening and sliding it down over the threads. Unscrew and remove the adjusting nut. Slide the injection stem nut down and off. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. Set the black sleeve aside. Remove and replace the injection stem O-ring. Remove and replace the sleeve O-ring. Next, align the groove in the white stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Slide the injection stem nut onto the black sleeve. Thread the adjusting nut back on the sleeve about halfway. Replace the C-clamp by sliding it over the threads. Rotate it until it clicks into place and thread on the lock nut and hand tighten. You can now install the new check valve assembly and reinstall the check valve nut. Set the stem aside and remove the plunger seal by pinching and rolling it off of the plunger. Install the new plunger seal into the groove on the plunger. To finish up, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the black injection sleeve. Reinstall the nut hand tight. If the scale you prefer is not facing out, just loosen the stem nut, then pull the stem down slightly, rotate and push it back up. Tighten the nut hand tight. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or, if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace it. Now, thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide the hose onto the barb and hand tighten the nut. Make sure to set the injector to your desired dilution setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D40MZ2 40 GPM injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatron.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or video links on the website. Thanks for watching.